So, do you have time to think? No, I'm not talking about fantasy thinking, imaginary thinking, where you protect your girlfriend from 10 people. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something, different, something deep. I'm talking about deep thinking. I know it sounds very heavy, but trust me, this thing helped me a lot to grow in my life, to build consistency. And I'm pretty sure this thing helps you too. So, what is deep thinking? So, talking about deep thinking, first of all, who I am. So, my name is Rohit, and I am on the journey to grow. I am working on my fitness, finance, and communication skills. So, I want to be path for a person who are still struggling, especially for people who think they are taking actions but they are not moving forward. So, I am making videos for those, and I add one more thing, and also I am still figuring things out. So, back to the point. So, what is deep thinking? So, deep thinking is the way that you deep thinking is the way to help you to uh, know your limits, to know your strength, and after that, this you never rely on outside motivation, and this thing help you to improve consistency as well. So, I categorize deep thinking into two parts. The first part is observation, and the second part is visualization. So observation. So what is observation? Observation is helps to you to to know your limits, to know your strengths, and so how I did this. Sorry for that. So how I did this. So while I'm procrastinating, I'm not productive. So I try a lot of things, to I have a lot of questions that why I'm not improving, that why I'm not growing in my life. So I try a lot of things. I journaling, I do a lot of things, but things doesn't doesn't help me to grow in my life to be productive. So my life going to change when I start observing myself. The first thing I do, so I cut all my distractions. I just and that time when I cut all my distractions, that time I have time to think. So I just start thinking. I just start talking to myself. So when I start talking to myself, so the my inner self जो कहीं खो गई थी, so I just start talking to my inner self, and this thing helped me to know myself, to know my strength, know my weaknesses, and while I'm knowing myself, when I know myself, so after that working on myself, working on my goals, it's way more easy, because if I know my habits, know my limits, so consider that thing and then I make a goal. So when you work on your goals, so it's very high chance to you build a consistency, for work on your goals. Yeah, so this is how observation helped me to know myself, to improve my life. So this is the first part of observation, and like I give you example, like when you play a video game. So this is the observations part. So when you play a video game and you play that game, and you know all the rules and all the like the character you choose, all abilities and all strength and weaknesses the character you choose, and while you play that game, the chances are very high that you won that game, no, the video game, because you know all the rules, the character you choose and the characteristics, the character you choose, and when you play that game, consider that thing in your mind, the chances are very high. So what about our real life game? We playing our real life game without knowing ourselves. We playing that game without knowing our abilities, our strength and weaknesses, and we make goals. Like we make goals without knowing ourselves, and when we work on our goals, so the it's a so it's a high probability the goals we make. Uh, it's not like we never work on our goals because this is not achievable goals, because we make goals like someone told us like you are good in this, you are bad in this, and we just no like we just uh, I don't know what is that word. We just like हम just मान लेते हैं ना कि yeah he is right, I'm not good in this situation, I'm not good in this like whatever the thing is. So we make a goal considering that thing, and uh, misconceptions, we make misconceptions in ourselves, that's the word. So I yeah, so don't rely on what the people talk, like talk like what the people talking about you, what the people think about you, that you are good in this or good or bad. Just asking yourself that you are good in this or not. And if you start asking yourself, you start questioning yourself, you start knowing, like just talking to your inner self, you know, you start getting the all the answers that you want, no, that you asking for someone, they don't even care about you. So yeah, this is how observation helped me to work on myself, to work on to grow in my life. So this is the first part of observation, and the second part is visualization. So what is visualization? So visualization is helps me to build my next day. No, the visualization is help me to structure my next day. Visualization is help me uh, to be productive. I am just work on my goals. So while I'm going to sleep, that time I visualize my whole day, whole next day, and uh, I usually the thing I usually do, I do all that thing in my mind. Don't worry, it's never takes too much time. It takes only 3 to 5 minutes max. So while I'm doing this, I do wrong or whatever the thing I do my next day. Usually I do all that things in my mind. I things bad things that I don't want to do. I do that things as well. So while I'm doing that things, so after did that, I just know like rewriting like why I did this in my mind. So when the next day came, so the when this same situation came, so the chances are very high that I don't do that same thing that I don't want to do, because the feeling of it and the because after doing uh, because I the thing I did, the thing I already did in my mind, and the regression after doing this I already face in my mind. So in the next day, I the chances are very low that I never do this thing, the bad thing. And this thing helped me to productive. This thing helped me to like work on myself, and the at the end I'm productive. So up, before doing this, I try a lot of things. I do. I make a to-do list. I watch so many videos. How to be consistent. So I was like I like I did I make a to-do list, and I a to-do list and no time block. This time I do this. This time I did this. But while I'm doing this thing doesn't work for me. You know. So the things work for me is visualization and observation. Is a deep thinking. So while when I'm did this, so the things going to the things are going to the things going to change in my life. So I'm not sure this thing help you, but this thing helped me. So maybe it's helpful for you. So in the conclusion is, if uh, you don't rely on outside motivation, when think, if motivation came from outer side, so how would it last too long? So just start talking to yourself. You know yourself more than others. So don't think what the people talking about you. Just talking to yourself, and if you have any question, asking yourself, your inner self know more than no anyone who knows you. So when you asking your questions from your inner self, you get the answers. And it take time. Don't think that you do it like 2 3 times and you get the answers. Yeah, it take time. Big things take time. No. So I'm doing this since I'm even past 3 4 months, and this thing helped me to improve my life. So that's the video. I hope you understand my idea. If you understand, like, it's up to you. I just love to make a video, and I, yeah, that's the video. Hope you like it.